So first rates, not bad, 20 points higher. Now 80 points away from 10,000. For me, that is also the number which we are tracking. 11 points higher for the Nifty, and for the Sensex, it's a uptick of about 67 points. Little bit of push from one heavyweight, and we would have managed to go past that summit of 10K on the Nifty. We are what about 90 points away from 10K on the Nifty. Now let's address the newsmakers. HPCL, ONGC. HPCL, like I indicated, it should crack and ONGC should go up. So ONGC is headed higher. HPCL seems to be coming down marginally. Karnataka Bank, well, in this kind of a market, if you are a PSU and if you don't deliver, well, there's no space for you to hide. So Canara Bank, I beg your pardon. Canara Bank corrects by another 3.5%. Idea Cellular, big sharp mover, and Idea Cellular, the follow buying is missing. Triveni Engineering, very smart investors have revisited Triveni Engineering. I think Akash Prakash is a large stake there. Anil Goel has also picked up some stake there. A lot of HNI investors are now seriously influencing some of these mid-cap stocks. And then where is ITC? 293 rupees. Aisha?
For the Nifty, it's okay. We're comfortably above that 9,900 mark. Can we cross, or do we have further legs to cross that another 100-point leap? Sure enough, we have. It's the timing only. Maybe Reliance is going to do the trick. Who knows? HPCL, ONGC. Let's check in on these two names as to whether or not you're seeing any sort of reaction. HPCL is down a good 3.5%, 4% now lower for HPCL, as ONGC is looking to pick up government's 51% stake in HPCL. ONGC spikes up by about 2.5% right now in trade. And MRPL is the other one that you may want to check in on. Who knows, maybe this one's next. MRPL spiked up yesterday. Today too, it's holding up by about 1.5%. Lots of earnings reaction. Mindtree, the PAT is coming higher by 25%. The revenue is coming down. Pressure on EBITDA. Stock down 2.6%. KPIT as well has come out with its numbers, and it's nothing really to write home about. KPIT 2 should come up for you on your screens. And then, of course, some of the other earnings and important ones which came in post-market hours. Canara Bank came out with its numbers, wherein the NII has surged up by about 17.5%. The PAT is coming higher, but it is the NPAs which have also spiked up. So, net, a bad set of numbers for Can Bank. 4% lower. That's quite a sharp correction coming in for Canara Bank right now. Bajaj Finserv is the other set which came out with its numbers, and not bad at all. Bajaj Finserv should come up for you on your screens, about a 0.5% uptick. We will be chatting with the management as well shortly. And then, of course, the big boys ahead of their numbers. Let's see what Reliance is up to, whether the rest of the telecom pack is catching up. 1543 on Reliance ahead of its earnings today, which are only going to be post-market hours. About a 0.6% move coming in for Reliance. Wipro, Bajaj Auto, Kotak Mahindra, all are slated to come out with their numbers today. Wipro not going to be too much of a market moving event in any case. That's the case with Bajaj Auto too. Kotak Bank is important, 1% higher for Kotak Bank. And then, of course, the big movers from yesterday, telecom. So look out for Idea, look out for Bharti, and the big mover Aurobindo Pharma, on whether or not that's seeing any follow-through coming in. But comfortable, we're lurking around 99.20. CK, I guess we're going to consolidate a little more before we make a dash to 10K.